So here's our pond. It's been about 12 hours since I installed the Tetra UV Clarifier, and you can see it's fairly green. You can see a little bit through, but not obviously all the way through, and it's not crystal clear. Here is our setup. Right now it's pretty utilitarian looking, but this is the way it is. All right, this is essentially day 2. It's been about day and a half since we put in, and it is starting to clear up. I can actually see some of the fish at the bottom, not fully clear, but I can actually see them and see that they're there. So thus far this is working pretty good. All right, we're at 2.5 days and the water is looking way clear. You can actually see the bottom of the pond. We can see the fish clearly. So this has worked really well within 2.5 days. All right, we are 3.5 days in, and as you can see, this pond is super clear now. You can see our fish nice and clear. And this UV light has done wonders. Highly recommend doing something like this. Getting one if you're having some algae problems. This has worked a lot better and a lot faster than I even thought. Okay, so this is the actual UV unit. So I got underneath some polyhawks here. So this is the casing unit. The UV light is inside. It's real easy to put together. Just you put the light bulb in to the socket, screw it on here. I have these 2 attachments that you screw on, and then you put on your hoses on each end. So the water comes in through this hose and then exits through this one. There's a little window here, and then that's how you can tell if the light is on. Excuse me, if the light bulb is still working. It's a little hard to tell in the daylight here, but in the dark you can kind of see if it's working. You can kind of tell. Not really. Just trust me on that. So, and the way this works, as a new pond owner, and when I got this was a little naive of me. I didn't realize that you actually need to have a pump. So this does not have a pumping unit or anything like that in it. You actually have to have another pump. So I have one here. I just happen to have one. So luckily I was able to get this put together once I saw the diagram right away. So here's my water pump. And then, so that brings water into the unit. And then here's the other side where the water is being pumped back into the pond, algae free.